up? Okay, long time no see, and I know wedding content is also coming real soon. But meanwhile, I have a super hectic day scheduled today, so I thought why not just vlog it. So I just woke up right now, and my husband is still sleeping, so I'm not gonna show him. But yeah, so it feels so weird to start the vlog in a different room. It just yeah, it's very different. But we have a handful of things to do today, and I thought why not just vlog everything and share it with you guys. So first things first, as soon as I wake up in my sasural, the first thing I do is go down and have my hot water. क्योंकि मेरे को रात भर AC का आदत नहीं है, and my husband cannot do without AC, so yeah, we have that kind of fight now where one is just talking about switching off the AC and just being on the fan, and the other one is like, oh no, I can't sleep on the AC. So we came down to this one agreement where the AC will be at 24 and the fan will be at 2. Usko dono chahiye rehta. So it's kind of hard for me to adjust with that for my throat, but hopefully I'll be used to it real soon. Let's see. मेरे को भी इतना AC पसंद नहीं है, to be honest, because of cold stuff. But it's okay. थोड़ा थोड़ा आदत हो रहा है अभी. And yeah, Vital is trying to. इतना छोटू. हुआ
क्या हो गया? कंटेंट बना रही थी ना, बिल्कुल वो ट्राइंग टू फेल होएगा करके. हाँ, अभी हुआ है तो कुछ है नहीं बनाने को.
छोटा सा
बंद करा. क्या? I don't like this.
It's besan chilla, guys.
इसकी जगह पे सुबह पिज्जा हो जाता चीज बस तो
नहीं. Healthy option. Okay guys, so I just got done with my shower after having my breakfast. Now a lot of you already know about this, but I recently got married and it's been super hectic. It was a destination wedding, so there was a lot of traveling involved and irregular sleep schedule, and heating products that was used during the wedding actually took a toll on my hair, and my hair has lost its shine and texture, and I also face a lot of hair fall. And I recently learned that hair can also be damaged because of its pollutants and UV rays. So I really wanted to pay attention to this and switch to something which gets my hair back to its OG state. So I started using the Naturali's pollution defense shampoo and its conditioner, and let me tell you what a difference this has made. Quite surprising, to be honest. So I used to always think that these natural or nature inspired brands will take a lot of time to show a result, and I'm a very impatient person and I don't have the patience to wait for the results. But let me tell you, these guys are different, and I could see visible difference in just few washes. If you are wondering how, let me tell you. So Naturali's pollution defense shampoo has some very interesting ingredients. It's avocado and charcoal. Now avocado has always been a yummy and fancy breakfast option for me, but now I get to use it on my hair. So fancy. Charcoal is usually seen in skincare, but here it helps to deeply cleanse your hair, and avocado adds the nourishment and the shine. This unique combo deep cleans the scalp, removing the built up dirt, sebum, etc. and avoiding hair damage. And I used to face major hair fall right after washing my hair, which has now reduced. And along with that, I also use the Naturali's pollution defense conditioner, which has green tea and avocado. To be honest, I'm loving this unique ingredient combination and I feel like my hair is loving them too. The green tea has antioxidant and helps to combat micropollutants, whereas the avocado adds the nourishment. Together they form a barrier to protect your hair against the pollutants and the other harmful agents, and this conditioner legit gave me instant smoothness from the first result. I believe no one should skip the conditioner, especially if you have dry, damaged hair like mine. This adds shine to my hair, making it smooth, soft and healthy. The price for Naturali's pollution defense shampoo is rupees 299 for 340 ml and 160 for 180 ml. And the Naturali pollution defense conditioner is for rupees 190 for 180 ml. The best part is the discount that they are running on their website. You can get flat 30% off if you use the coupon code Naturali30 on their website naturali.co.in. So now I'm done with my skincare and hair. I'm gonna go ahead and get few other things sorted because we are traveling tomorrow. So I have to send my passport details to people, and we also have to click a passport size photo for the visa, which is there over there. I think it's visa on the arrival, so we have to do that as well all today. Along with I have to shoot one reel. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but it's gonna be super hectic for me, so I'm gonna quickly go and get my work started now. Guys, lunch में मैंने करेला खाया.
ठीक है.
And I am someone who hates करेला, but यहाँ पे ऐसा बनता है ना कि it's nice. मेरी मॉम इतनी शॉक हो जाएगी देख के कि मैं करेला खाने लगी हूँ. And then I had bhopla also, which is pumpkin. So like all the things that I used to not eat in my house, I'm eating here. And now we are dessert के लिए, final dessert के लिए we're having the peanut butter cups. Mithil is trying out for the first time, and it's one of my favorite. How is it?
First bite is chocolate.
You didn't like
Heavy is something inside.
peanuts?
Oh yeah. First bite was better. Chocolate वाला.
Yeah, expected. Like मुझे जो चीज़ें पसंद आती है वो उसे पसंद नहीं आती है, उसे जो चीज़ें पसंद आती है वो मुझे पसंद नहीं आती. We are opposites like that.
मुझे तू पसंद आई थी.
Okay guys. Anyway, तो मेरे को जो रील शूट करना था वो थोड़ा कैंसिल सा हो गया. So I have to just prepare few shots for it. And yeah, so काम था वो अभी चला गया, थोड़ा सा चला नहीं है, मतलब पोस्टपोन हो गया. So I'm just resting myself now and thinking what to do. So let's see. So we are now going to get our visa photos done, instant wale. And I didn't apply normally, I apply makeup, I just applied lip balm only. And I'm going like this.
Wow guys.
So turns out our flight is at 10, but we didn't get the boarding passes, so we have to reach there at least 4 hours early.
What 4 hours? 3.5 चल.
4 hours.
आराम से नीचे आ जाएगी गाड़ी.
यहाँ पे भी ट्रैफिक है guys.
Please lightly move. This तरह. Yeah. Smile नहीं करना, तो normal pose.
Don't look dude. See.
Dawn.
ऐसा देख रहा हूँ.
Guys, मेरा फोटो दिखाने लायक नहीं है, बाप रे. It's so bad, and they told me to put my hair behind my ears, so there's
एक औरत अभी निकली है 5 कत्ल करके. ये रहा उसका फोटो. जल्दी से जल्दी ढूंढ लिए.
नहीं
लेने का
हाँ मेरे YouTube पे जाएगा. We just met Brink's Army's person here.
Brings army soldiers.
Soldiers.
Who's gonna kill it with a frozen drink?
Oh, photographer.
Nice. But mine is nicer.
Cheers.
Mint. Cheers.
It's a task. He is listening to the same audio for the 5th time and he is trying to upload a story. I was trying to vlog. सब एक साथ नहीं हो पा रहा है.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
So now it's time to pack. I hate this part absolutely.
सुबह का फ्लाइट है 10 बजे और रात का 10 बजे पैकिंग कर रहे हैं. बहुत बड़ी था.
12 घंटे पहले पैक कर रही हूँ बट मेरा सारा पैकिंग क्यूब्स में ही है. होपफुली आई वोंट फॉरगेट एनीथिंग हियर. इफ आई डू देन इट्स ओके. नॉट लाइक आई एम गोना मिस सम मेजर थिंग्स. पासपोर्ट और वो सब तो एकदम एक्सट्रीमली केयरफुली आई विल पुट इट समवेयर सो दैट इट्स ऑलवेज विथ मी. एनीवे लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Just ignore the background sound. But I just got done with packing everything. I love packing cubes so much. They'll make the life so easy. So I got my one chappal that is here. I'll be mostly wearing Crocs there. And then I got my skincare, makeup and other clothes and all here. So इतने में हो गया. ये packing cubes है.
लो 3 लोग.
So my packing is
बैग
done.
अपने पास है, ठीक है.
And मैं ये छोटी सी बैग भी कैरी कर रही हूँ just for sunglasses and extra stuff.
ग्लास ले लो.
So yeah. Guys, late night cravings over here. It's 11:30 and we are having this. Cartoon people's only. Cheers.
लाइव स्ट्रीम के बीच में व्लॉग बना लिया.
हाँ
wait.
ऊपर 2 left. Guys हालत हो गई. Bad idea. Okay guys, so that was it for today. Packing and everything is done. We are all prepared to go tomorrow. We are just gonna get like 4 hours of sleep, so I better get going now. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to work hard, be kind and stay positive, and I'll see you guys again in my next video now. Bye.